So the half round file to clean up the inside of the boiler, the flat file, in this case I use the triangular file to clean up the outside of that, and the triangular file to clean up around this projecting piece on the smoke box, particularly underneath where the supports were, so that it becomes, well, at the moment it's a good tight fit in there. So the file's been used just to tidy things up. They're fairly clear things. I'm just spelling them out so that you know what's involved in building the kit. You can look at the cost of the kit, you look at what's involved in building it, but the great thing is you will end up with a model to your own specification of something that's not readily available in any other way. And it's not as if it's difficult. Remember, I've got that brass kit to build. It's just gluing plastic pieces together. It's just with these 3D printed parts, there's a little bit of preparation, but there's certain parts, that one, that one, that one, that one, that don't need much preparation. It's just these bits that are going to be on show and need to have a good finish for your final coat of paint.